Hello, hello, this is Goodison Gamer and welcome to Blazing Thunder on the Commodore 64. It's a run and gun shooter from 1990. But you don't run in this game, you play as a tank actually. So it's a Ikari Warriors Commando style game, like a clone. And I saw Nick Jenkin played this game recently on his channel. I thought it looks kind of cool, so I want to give it a go here. So here we go, let's see. Here we go. High-tech software, I've never heard about them. So we have my health meter down there, as well as the power, some kind of power-up meter. I have not found a manual for this game, so only Amstrad CPC version manual, but it was in Spanish and it didn't tell me anything. I know Spanish, but the manual didn't tell me anything, so except how to move. So here we go. Let's try. So now I have a better weapon here when I collected that stick there. So it looks like a budget game, and my health meter is very down now. And this glimmering stuff is landmines. But it plays cool actually. Sound effects are alright. Now I have full health. Cool. I picked up something there. And I picked up that was 1-up extra life. So now I have full health. Cool. So it's a cool game actually. I mean the enemy sprites, enemy sprites looks pretty bad actually, but and the backgrounds are brown and pretty dull. So there you go, it was pretty easy first level. And this jolly music here in the finale here. So exactly, don't really understand the power-up system, but never mind. It's pretty straightforward as it is the game. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's a P. I mean, Ikari Warriors and Commodore classic games. I have reviewed a few of Ikari Warrior games, but for some strange reason I have never reviewed any Commando games, which is pretty strange. Did I lose my power-up now? Commando is a classic game on the Commodore 64, but there are many good versions of that game. The Sinclair ZX Spectrum is awesome as well, of Commando. Now I have a shitty weapon, I need a power up now, and my health is down now. There you go. No, it didn't give me anything good. That one. Oh, okay, now we're talking. So it seems to be quite a achievable game, this one. I mean, Ikari Warriors, that game was brutally tough in my opinion. Both on the Amstrad as well as and Commodore 64, they were both extremely difficult. I don't know if there is any way to avoid the boss firing. I just shoot the best I can. And it seems to be successful. So I'm gonna just give this a short run here until I'm game over. So my viewers can have a little glimpse of this game. And you can of course tell me down in the comment section if you like what you see. If you think this game is cool, if you have ever played it or anything. Could be really... Fuck is this? Okay, I have to go up the other bridge, I think. But there is a landmine there, so I have to try to... Fuck. little bit of obstacles here in this third level here. There is something here. No, that was an enemy fortress or something. There is. Ah. Could need more powerful weapon now. I have good health now, but could really need a better weapon. No, now I'm down. My health is down. There is something. Give it to me. So up we go. Let's see if we can get... Is this the new boss? Is this the boss, or can I skip? No, this is the boss. Shit. Is this my last life? Yes. This is not a bad game actually. It looks like a budget game, but it doesn't mean that it's bad for that, you mean. I would never pay full price for this game back in the day or something, but if it was on discount or something, I could really consider it. Okay, it was game over there. I'm gonna leave it there. We have seen the game few minutes. So yeah, it's a cool game. So I'm grateful for Nick Yanking showing me that game. It's a cool game. I will give it a 6 out of 10 for this one. So there you go. Thank you for watching, like always. Have a good one. Goodbye.